Aloha there. Welcome to your day 17. Today is really important, so make sure you clear some space so you can really focus on it. Oh, there's a new guided meditation today, breathing exercise with music for you. But before you jump in, I'd love to read your thoughts on our Facebook group about the heavy metals detox. Did it blow your mind? Oh my gosh, which fish did you eat regularly before you read about the high levels of mercury in fish? And what do you think about the relationship between heavy metals and minerals? Isn't that interesting? When you heard the part about how scientists have found out that the aluminum content in the breast tissue in the fat was significantly higher in the outer regions of the breast, which is in close proximity to the area of the body where we apply antiperspirants and deodorant. Did that make you want to detox your underarms and your breasts from years of toxic deodorant usage? It did mine. Now, I'm adding a bonus video for you today so you can do just that. It's called Spot Treatments of the Serious Cleanse Body Mask. So remember to use your supplement schedule and begin taking your supplements today if you didn't already begin that yesterday. Also, you'll want to remember to start the silica, the BioSil, the mobilizer. Begin with 1 to 2 drops on the first week, and then you can double it to 2 to 4 drops on the second week. Okay? All right, one more quick note. Now, tomorrow morning, you'll have your very first coffee enema. Now, they take about 30 minutes or so from setup to cleanup, but the lesson is really brief. Just one of our Thursday checklists. So enjoy your lesson, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Aloha.